Hi, my name's Colin from Funky Monkey Bars. Our Toyota forklifts are used for every single aspect in our building now. We're lifting all day, every day. We're unloading lorries, we're unloading utes, we're loading and unloading containers. Yeah, so we're doing every aspect. The ease of use for the high reach forklift that we particularly were impressed with. The features of the fact that we had a dual fuel system. We could just click over to petrol and LPG, which was great because usually people run out of gas at the wrong time. Also the auto leveling of the tangs on the front, the forks themselves, was a great feature because it was something that everyone seemed to struggle with. So we're not damaging pallets anymore, so that's great, and they're not cheap. A pallet, you can pay $35 to $50 to $75 for a pallet. So you only got to break a couple of them in a day. Money soon starts dwindling out the door. We chose Toyota forklifts for the reliability. So we looked for value for money, and we looked for the actual service that we could get. I think their customer service has been outstanding. They came in when they brought the fleet to us. They were a little bit late with one of the forklifts, hadn't been cleared from customs, and they actually gave us another forklift to use free of charge until this one was released, which was, you know, unbelievable really service for us.